Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Ranger rear differential noise and the likely reasons that may be associated with this condition across certain Ford Ranger model years. Rear differential noise in the Ford Ranger generally refers to whining, humming, grinding, or clunking sounds coming from the rear axle area during acceleration, deceleration, cruising at steady speeds, or when changing load. Verified technical information confirms that the rear differential is responsible for transferring engine power to the rear wheels while allowing speed differences during turns. When internal components or supporting parts do not operate within expected limits, noticeable noise can develop. The way this issue presents can vary depending on drivetrain configuration, model year, axle design, mileage, and driving conditions. Documented information shows that rear differential noise may be associated with gear wear over time, changes in lubrication condition, or bearing performance degradation within the differential assembly. In some configurations, noise characteristics may change depending on vehicle speed or load, which can help narrow down potential contributing factors. Older generations may show different wear patterns compared to newer models that use updated axle designs or materials. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, towing usage, or prior servicing, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions depend on accurate inspection and may include checking differential fluid condition and level, inspecting axle and bearing components, and confirming that internal gear operation remains within acceptable tolerances. These steps are general guidance only and are not guaranteed to resolve every situation. Overall, rear differential noise in the Ford Ranger is not caused by a single universal issue and can differ across years and drivetrain configurations. Understanding general axle and differential behavior can help guide awareness, but proper diagnosis remains essential. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.